Looks like a new Husky backpack at Home Depot. $50. 5-year limited warranty. They're probably going to stop selling this in 6 months, so good luck trying to warranty it. Professional duty. Little pocket here. These zippers are, I don't know, kind of got these bent design. Little thing here. Little thing here. Little hard case for your safety glasses, I guess. Can't open it with one hand. Tape measure clip inside. Clear pocket thingy here. Another pocket thingy down here. Hard bottom. Pockets inside. Little side pocket thing there. And little pockets there. Metal hook, hanging hook, kind of like Vito. That's kind of funny. And electrical tape loop there, little pocket here, measure tape clip there. I don't know.